Welcome 4th standard children. This is your first video after your online evaluation. Now I hope everybody have answered the exam very well. Now after that I am taking this poem. That is your first lesson of this video. After this section, after the examination section. The caterpillar story. That is the title of the poem. Now all listen carefully. Now you know what is a caterpillar. Now I hope you all have learned in 3rd standard about the life cycle of a butterfly. Now life cycle of a butterfly means first the butterfly will lay eggs on the leaf. Then that egg will be formed into caterpillar. ഒരു പുഴുമായിത്തരും അതാണ് ആ പുഴു caterpillar. ആ എഗ്ഗിൽ നിന്നാണ് കാറ്റർപില്ലർ ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത്. കാറ്റർപില്ലർ എല്ലാം കൂടെ കുക്കൂണായി ഫോം ചെയ്യും. കുക്കൂൺ ഒരു ഗോൾഡൻ കളർ. ആ കുക്കൂണിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലേക്ക് കാറ്റർപില്ലർ പോയിട്ട് ഒരു കുക്കൂൺ ഫോം ചെയ്യും. കണ്ടോ അങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു കുക്കൂൺ. ആ കുക്കൂൺ അങ്ങനെ പൊട്ടി അതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് നിന്ന് എന്താ വരിക? ബട്ടർഫ്ലൈ. വീണ്ടും ബട്ടർഫ്ലൈ ലേ എഗ്സ്. കാറ്റർപില്ലർ ഫോം ചെയ്യും, പിന്നെ കുക്കൂൺ ഫോം ചെയ്യും, പിന്നെയും ബട്ടർഫ്ലൈ. അതാണ് അങ്ങനെ ലൈഫ് സൈക്കിൾ ഓഫ് എ ബട്ടർഫ്ലൈ. നൗ ഹിയർ you are going to learn about this caterpillar. Now what this caterpillar is going to do? Now we will find out about the caterpillar. Underneath the cabbages. Now while I am reading, you all open the text and follow line after line. Underneath the cabbages, or the cabbages in the chotil, the caterpillar sat, drowsing in the sunshine. Now drowsing means being dull and sleepy. Now when nice weather, when there is fan going on, nice breeze, you will feel like sleepy, isn't it? That's what drowsy, dull and sleepy. Now the caterpillar same way, that way, not at all active, drowsing in the sunshine. Nice sun shining also. It thought of this and that. It didn't work at all. It was drowsing and was thinking of this and that. It led a rather lazy life, isn't it? When you lead a lazy life, you go on thinking of this and that. Now there's a saying in English, an idle mind is the devil's workshop. That means if you are idle, if you are always sitting there simply, you will be thinking of all what things, what all. That is the devil's workshop your mind will be. So same with this caterpillar, also very lazy, drowsing in the sunshine, thinking of this and that, and it led a rather lazy life, just lying there in style. In style means relaxed and comfortable. It is very comfortable without doing any work, simply drowsing. For the caterpillar, it was relaxable and comfortable. When hungry, it just nibbled at the cabbage for a while. So it was simply drowsing, and when it is hungry, it will go on nibbling. Nibbling means going on biting the cabbages and eating it at the cabbage for a while, and again when the stomach is full, again it will lay drowsy. Then again when it is hungry, it go on nibbling the cabbage. Now caterpillars have to change. So caterpillars won't be for a long time. It will go on change, and one day very soon it started working steadily to weave a tight cocoon. Now caterpillar, it will go on weaving this cocoon. So the caterpillar will change into a cocoon to weave a tight cocoon. Within this cozy shell it stayed. So now it is staying inside the cocoon. As days and nights went by, then suddenly a split appeared. Split means what here? Long crack or tear. Like how the eggs hatches. ഒരു പൊട്ട് വന്നിട്ട് പുറത്തേക്കല്ലേ chicken comes out. Same way this cocoon, a split, ഒരു വിള്ളൽ വന്നിട്ട് it appeared. Out came a butterfly. So after few days, when the cocoon split open, what comes out of the cocoon? A butterfly. Now no longer was it lazy. So this butterfly is not lazy at all like the caterpillar. Now it had a pair of wings also. It danced upon the roses. Now did you all notice the butterfly? It won't stand one way, go on sitting on that flower, this flower, going on flying. It danced upon the roses and on many other things. Now the butterfly, what is the food of the butterfly? The nectar of flowers. A lovely little butterfly. Now butterfly is usually very beautiful, isn't it? Of black and white and red. Many colors will be there. Yellow, black, white, red, all that. Flitting in the sunshine. Flitting I didn't write here. That is moving quickly from place to place in the sunshine till it was time for bed. Till it was time for bed, it will go on moving from one flower to another. That means it is restless. It won't rest at all. It go on dancing and flitting from one flower to another. That is this poem that is written by Hilda Offen. Now while I am explaining, you all read the poem also. Now understanding the poem, write true or false for these sentences. This poem is about the life of a caterpillar who met a butterfly. Is it correct? Did the caterpillar meet a butterfly? No, the caterpillar is formed to cocoon. That cocoon, when it cracked, what comes out? Butterfly. So that is false. The first one is false. The caterpillar led a lazy life and all day long just dozed in the rain. Did it doze in the rain? No, it dozed in the sunshine. So that also false. The caterpillar ate cabbage leaves whenever it was hungry. That's true, isn't it? When it is hungry, it will go on nibbling the cabbages. That's true. One day, the caterpillar started weaving a cocoon, isn't it? After a few days, now the caterpillar start weaving a cocoon. That's true. It stayed in its cozy shell at night and came out during the day. Did it stay in the cocoon during night and did it come out during the day? No, that is false. Suddenly a split appeared in the cocoon and a butterfly came out. That's true, isn't it? The butterfly was not lazy like the caterpillar. That also true. It flew about and danced around the roses. That also true. It was beautiful with yellow and blue wings. Did they tell yellow and blue wings? No. What colors did they mention in the poem? Black, white, red. They didn't mention about yellow and blue. So that is false. What is there in the poem? That they are mentioning here. So yellow, blue and all not in the poem. So you all write that false, the last one. And answer these questions. What did the caterpillar eat? After reading the poem, you all will be able to answer. What did the caterpillar eat? Cabbages. How did the caterpillar spend its time? How? Drowsing in the sunshine, isn't it? And when it is hungry, going on nibbling the cabbages. Where did the butterfly come from? Where did the butterfly? From the cocoon, isn't it? After a few days, the cocoon, there a split comes out and out comes out the butterfly. How was the butterfly different from the caterpillar? Now the caterpillar cannot fly, isn't it? But the butterfly can fly. Caterpillar is lazy. The butterfly is not lazy at all, isn't it? That's two reasons, two differences. Now that's what. And in this poem you see a butterfly growing, caterpillar growing into a butterfly. What would you like to be when you grow up? There's one question in this poem. You can see the caterpillar after few days becoming a butterfly. So when the caterpillar grows up, it becomes a butterfly. So they are asking, what would you like to be when you grow up? When you grow up, what would you like to be? There will be different answer from different children, isn't it? All won't tell the same answer, different answers come out. Take turns and talk about in class. That's the work in class we have to do. Now there is a work here, fun time, that you all read and do it. Okay children, that's all for today's class. Thank you.